a friendship with someone, you want to use their plasticity and stuff, and then there's all of this. And I you know what? I'm just gonna write this down. Approximately
Divided energy, so I
haven't used the coffee, and then but Ella hasn't used the coffee.
divided energy, so I can live. Smells like a grand.
Jaden, remember Gabe?
Oh yeah, my best friend. Yeah, totally.
Your first part of the school.
Provided energy, so I can live. Smells like an elderly person. Laptop.
Fine, I'm gonna start over too. Me starting over.
We type on it.
It's like the laptop. I like my laptop. I like the bottom.
At first, Steven, I did not.
What does a laptop smell like? Metal? Smells like metal. Laptop.
I don't want to be getting this one. What this actually says.
The last one? Everything else, one of the descriptions, all the wisdom, really? The last one's mine. I have that.
It only just means.
He's my friend.
Guess what? What do you think a carrot smells like? Carrot smells sweet. Water smells fresh. Water.
It smells like watermelon.
I would say one thing.
I am
If you include it in it. Like you would buy this with 3 pencils.
Or what if you just sold them in this package? So then for like
Cheese. Cheese.
Okay, I'll copy over.
For the reason I said it provided energy so I can live. It smells like an elderly person. It tastes like